What are the parts of Uilleann pipes? Have you ever listened to the enchanting sound of Uilleann pipes and wondered what makes them so special? Let's take a closer look at the parts that come together to create this iconic Irish instrument. The Uilleann pipes are a traditional Irish musical instrument made up of several key components. Each part plays a vital role in producing that distinctive sound that is so beloved in Irish culture. First, we have the bag. This essential piece is typically crafted from high-quality leather, such as sheepskin or goatskin. The bag is treated to be airtight, allowing it to store air pumped in by the bellows. The player holds the bag under their arm and squeezes it to maintain a steady flow of air to the pipes. Next up is the bellows. Unlike many other bagpipes, Uilleann pipes use bellows operated by the player's arm instead of blowing air by mouth. These bellows are made from wood and leather and pump air into the bag. This design allows for continuous and controlled air pressure, avoiding the moisture that comes with mouth-blown instruments. Now let's talk about the chanter. The chanter is the main melody pipe, usually made from dense woods like African blackwood or cocos wood. It has a conical bore and features 8-finger holes, which enable the player to produce a 2-octave range of notes. The chanter uses a double reed, similar to those found in oboes or bassoons, which vibrates to create that beautiful sound. Moving on to the drones, these pipes produce a continuous harmonic background note. Typically, there are 3 drones on the Uilleann pipes, each tuned to a specific pitch. They add depth and resonance to the music, supporting the melody played on the chanter. Lastly, we have the regulators. These are a set of keyed pipes that the player can operate with their wrist or heel of the hand. Regulators produce chordal accompaniment and harmonies, allowing the piper to add rhythmic and harmonic complexity beneath the melody. This feature truly sets Uilleann pipes apart from many other types of bagpipes. When you travel in Ireland, hearing the Uilleann pipes played live is a unique experience that immerses you in Irish culture and traditional music. The craftsmanship of the instrument and the skill required to play it reflected a rich musical heritage that is deeply connected to Irish identity. Understanding these parts helps you appreciate the complexity and beauty of the Uilleann pipes when you encounter them in Irish music sessions or cultural events.